This is a 2009 Mercedes S63 with the AMG package, the 6.3 V8. We're gonna leave these factory tips here, the special AMG tips, but we're gonna delete the rear mufflers, as you'll see. We're gonna take both the rear mufflers out, take the mid muffler out, really wake it up. Customers really looking for a lot of sound on this one. Give it a good rumble. We'll get back to you here when we get it all fixed up. Okay, so we're back, and we have reinstalled the tips, as you can see. Got the factory AMG tips. Had to make a nice Y pipe design to take it from the single end to dual out muffler, like what was on there, to get the factory tips back on there. So nice and tucked in there, nice and clean. No mid muffler. Does have an H pipe, factory cats. Typical Mercedes, everything nice and precise. It's going to make it rumble. Let's see what it sounds like.